So now that we have the Jeep hooked up and everything's ready to roll out, this is the cool part. This is our new backup camera. This is the Haloview BT7, but it's not just a backup camera. It's also an observation camera with no signal drops while driving at high speeds. BT7 cams wirelessly transmit a constant signal and can support installation on vehicles up to 65 feet. It has lower lag than other brands.
The Haloview BT7 arrived well packaged and came with detailed instructions for installation. Installation is easy, especially when your RV is pre-wired for a backup camera like ours. All we had to do was mount the camera onto the back of the RV, connect the wires, and plug in the monitor into a 12-volt power outlet in our truck. It is entirely plug and play.
The brightness of the monitor displays up to 1000 candela per square meter, which makes bright sunlight driving easy. It also has full color dim light night vision. The powerful image sensors deliver full color image even in low light conditions. The night vision fill lights can be activated and deactivated remotely by the monitor if the ambient light is extremely low. The camera records important events with the built-in DVR in 1080p high-definition footage, resulting in seamless video recordings.
The marker backup lines, which can also be activated on the menu screen, help with backing your RV into place and can be adjusted as needed for accurate distant measurement to avoid collision. A microphone is also built into the camera, picking up sounds that you wouldn't be able to hear inside your running vehicle while backing up.
The Haloview BT7 has completely changed our traveling experience, allowing us to feel much safer both while on the road and during the setup and teardown processes. We highly recommend this camera to anyone living the RV lifestyle like us. If interested in this product, check out the link in our description below.